Hello everyone, uh, welcome back to my video channel. And as I am explaining animal kingdom one by one, so today I am going to explain about ctenophore. And we know that ctenophores are very commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies, and they are extremely marine organisms. Okay, and they are very pretty amazing organisms, and their body is very gelatinous, means very transparent body they have. And there is a one more point I would like to add is so evolutionary link between this actually forms the evolutionary link between Nigeria and the worms, but recent DNA analysis has placed ctenophores as the sisters group of the bilaterians. So also this is still in a dispute. And now let us know the characteristics one by one. I have listed the characteristics here. So let us go for the first one. So as I told before, ctenophores are commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jelly. So they are extremely marine organisms, and body is radially symmetrical. So what is radially symmetrical here? Radially symmetrical means when any plane passing through the central axis of the body divides the organisms into two identical halves. Means when think this is the body, so if this is the center, when any plane, okay, any plane, it may be from this side or it may be from this side, you can cut it in any angle, okay, through the center. This, if you cut it like this from the center, it makes the organisms into two identical halves, so that actually called as radially symmetrical. Okay, ctenophores are radially symmetrical, and they are diploblastic organisms, means they contains two body layers. One is ectoderm and another one is endoderm. Okay, the outer derm is called as ectoderm and inner layer is called as endoderm. So these are diploblastic animals. The next point is they forms the tissue grade of organization. Tissue grade of organization means an organization of similar cells, okay, group of similar cells into a definite tissue to perform a common function. That actually forms the tissue grade of organization. Okay, then this is important. The body bears 8 external rows. Okay, the body bears how many? 8 external rows of ciliated comb plates. These comb plates which helps in locomotion. These are also called as comb rows. Okay, don't get confused. These are also called as comb rows. Okay, and here next one is digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. Means digestion which take place outside the cell, and in some cases which is within the cells. Outside the cell means in the digestive tract. Okay, so digestion is both extracellular and intracellular. And the very magnificent characteristic here in ctenophores is they are bioluminescence, means they have the property like to emit the light. It is very well marked in ctenophores. Okay, that is the one that makes them look very attractive. Okay, and here sexes are not, next point is sexes are not separate, which means that they are hermaphrodites. Okay, then coming to the reproduction, which is going to take place by sexual means. We know that sexual is of two types, that is asexual and sexual, but in case of ctenophores the reproduction is going to take place only by means of sexual. Okay, then fertilization is external with indirect development. Here indirect development means without the larval stage, sorry, with the larval stage. Okay, example for this is Plurobranchiae, then next one is Ctenoplana, and we can say that these are of one more point I would like to add here is these are of divided into 3 groups or 3 orders. In that first one is Cydipedes. Those are actually called as sea gooseberries. Then next one is Lobetes. Those are actually called as sea walnuts. Next, the third one is baroids. These are actually jellies with jaws. Okay, these are the few points about ctenopores. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and share, and if you learn something new, give it a thumbs up. Thank you everyone. This is the diagram of Ctenophora, and these are the tentacles which helps in feeding, and there is a one more part called as statocyst which helps in the balancing the body. As I already mentioned, there is one more part called as cumbro, which is also called as comb plate, which helps in locomotion.